Welcome back to another new tutorial on demo content import of Listzen, the AI-powered WordPress directory theme. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Appearance, then Theme to add new theme. Click on Upload Theme. For choosing file, you need to go to select the exact zip file of it. Then click on Install Now. While done, then click on Activate. And instantly you'll get several required plugins to begin installing plugins. So let's click on it and then select all the plugins together to install. Then click on Apply. While done, go to the Return to Required Plugins installer and again select all of them to activate. Click on Apply. Now it's time to return to the dashboard. Then go to the Appearance, then import demo data. You'll get some predefined homepage layout to import. You can preview each layout and then select anyone what you like. So let's select to import, and after a few seconds your demo import is successfully done. Let's click on View Site. And here this is our required Listzen WordPress theme. This is an AI-powered directory WordPress theme which is designed for entrepreneurs, agencies, and developers who want to build a professional listing website without writing code. The archive page in the Listzen directory WordPress theme is where users quickly browse listings in a clean grid or list view with smart filters, search options, and even map integration to find exactly what they need fast. In contrast, the product details page gives a complete view of a single listing, including full descriptions, image galleries, contact options, and user interaction like reviews and favorites. On the single details page is showing the title and any custom info like price or features. There is no add to cart by default, but you can enable it with WooCommerce. In short, the archive page is all about discovery, while the details page focuses on deep information and engagement. You can control what users see and how to interact. So, without any delay, import this demo content right now. Thank you for watching this tutorial.